Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a scarf mockup in Photoshop. Go to the toolbar and select the Object Selection tool. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to the top menu and click Filter Blur Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur amount. Go to File Save As, choose your desired file format, name your file, and click Save. Remove the Gaussian blur. Now, drag and drop your scarf design, like a pattern or artwork, into the Photoshop file. It will appear as a new layer. Make sure it's placed above the Smart Object layer so you can clip or mask it onto the scarf. Go to Filter Distort, Displace. A dialog box will appear. Click OK. Then select a displacement map file. In the Layers panel, change the blend mode from normal to multiply. Open blending options. Go to the Blend If section. Move the white slider to the left slowly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Photoshop tutorials.